Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. India's emergence as a hub for global capability centers, GCC, has made the nation a key player in the global services sector. With around 1,600 GCCs from multinational giants across industries like finance, consumer electronics, and shipping, India has positioned itself as a global nerve center for tech innovation. These centers manage vital operations such as design, supply chain, and inventory for global businesses, cementing India's dominance in high-skilled IT services. Yet, even as the IT and service sectors flourish, the manufacturing industry has lagged behind. Manufacturing still contributes just 14% of the India's GDP, far short of the government's target of 25%. This stagnation has limited job creation for low-skilled workers as industries like textiles, footwear and apparel sectors that have historically employed millions face tough competition from nations like Bangladesh and Vietnam. While India shines in services exports, contributing 4.3% to the global commercial services market, its goods exports account only for 1.8%, creating a glaring gap in job generation. One of the key issues holding back India's manufacturing sector is its limited participation in global value chains, which account for nearly 70% of the international trade. As countries like Vietnam and Thailand have surged ahead of capitalizing on their integration into these chains, India's tariffs and high production costs have hindered its competitiveness. The World Bank noted that Indian exporters linked to GVCs perform significantly better than those without such connections, making it crucial for India to address this gap. Moreover, India's rising tariffs up to 18.1% in 2022 further exacerbated the problem, making it less attractive for international companies to establish manufacturing bases in the country. Despite these challenges, the Indian government is taking bold steps to revive manufacturing. The launch of 7 PM Mega Integrated Textile Region and Apparel Parks with an investment of 4,445 crore aims to revitalize the textile sector and create jobs. Additionally, the approval of 12 industrial smart cities with a funding of Rs 28,602 crores under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program reflects India's intent to build a robust manufacturing infrastructure. These initiatives, combined with tariff reductions on key items in the Union Budget 2024-25, demonstrates India's commitment to reducing barriers and enhancing the competitiveness of its manufacturing sector. However, as economists have pointed out, India's reliance on its services sector alone is insufficient for a nation of 1.4 billion people. The country needs to create nearly 7.85 million jobs annually in the non-farm sector, according to the Economic Survey of 2023-24. The slowdown in IT services hiring, with major firms like Infosys and Wipro collectively reducing their workforce by over 61,000 in 2024, signals the urgent need for India to diversify its employment landscape. India missed a key opportunity when China exited low-skill manufacturing between 2015 to 2022, allowing countries like Bangladesh and Vietnam to capture a larger share of the global markets. However, India still has the potential to capitalize on this shift by focusing on skill development and better integrating into GVCs. As India looks to the future, the government's initiatives like PM Mitra scheme and smart city development offer hope for revitalizing manufacturing. By addressing high tariffs and enhancing skill development, India can balance the growth of both high-skilled IT jobs and low-skilled manufacturing jobs, providing opportunities across the spectrum. The future of India's workforce lies in a well-rounded approach where both the services and manufacturing sectors flourish side by side. In the race for global economic prominence, India stands at a pivotal juncture. With the right reforms and continued focus on both high and low-skilled employment, India has the potential to not only meet its job creation needs but also become a powerhouse in the both manufacturing and services. Jai Hind.